Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are taking up special devotion sutras on Goddess Sri Mahalakshmi. So first of this is Sri Lakshmi Sraddhara Stotra. This is composed in Sraddhara poetic meter and hence the name Lakshmi Sraddhara Stotra. Of course the devotion is most important, but examining the pattern, digital pattern, chandas will yield us special joy. So that is why we examine the chandas and enjoy the flowing and brilliant poetry. So I'll just recite this wonderful stotra. As usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those who already know, well and good. Those who don't know can just take snapshot and mug up this wonderful stotra and enjoy reciting this often or on Friday evenings or whenever you do Lakshmi Puja and reap wonderful good benefits. So that is it. Here I go. The recitation. Vyasa Padmasanastha Vipulakatitati Padmapatrayatakshi Gambhira Vartana Bhittana Bharanamita Shubhravastrottariya Lakshmi Divyair Gajendrai Manigana Khachitair Snapita Hemakumbhai Nityam sa padmahatta mama vasatu gruhe sarvamangalya yukta. So this is a flowing, beautiful poetry, brilliant poetry, flowing melody, high flowing poetry. So that is it. We will just examine the first line and the chandas now. What it says: Vyasa padmasanastha vikula kaditati padmapatrayatakshi. So it is, as I said, this is in Sraddhara meter, 21 lettered 4 lines. 4 lines are there in this poem or stotra, and each line will be having 21 letters exactly. So which is the pattern now? The pattern for Sraddhara is Marabhana triple Y. This Lakshana Sutra says Mrabnairyanam Trayena Trimuni Yatiyuta Sraddhara Kirtiteyam. So upon decoding this, we will get Marabhana and triple Y pattern. Let us just examine this now. Those who are not getting me, please call me on 8762331815. I am taking special coaching classes on amazing and wonderful Sanskrit poetry and devotional stotras, etc. So now coming back to our topic, let us examine the first line. Yasa Pad, we are getting Ma pattern triple one. Mahasana, we are getting again 101, that is odd pattern, we are getting Mara, okay. Tha Vipu, we are getting 100, that is Ba pattern, condition is being satisfied. Moving on, Lakati, we are getting 000, that is Na pattern, we are getting Marabhana, we got already. So, Vipulakati Tati Padmapatrayatakshi. So 30 Pad we are getting 011, that is Y1 we are getting, triple Y we have to get. So Y1 is 30 Pad, and Mapatra we are getting as 011 again, that is Y2. Yatakshi is Y3, that is 011 again. So Marabhana and 3 Ys we are getting, the condition is being satisfied. So likewise each line we can examine and it will be exactly 21 letter. Each line will be yielding as Marabhana plus triple Y. So that is it, wonderful high flown poetry. We can just recite this and enjoy again and wrap up this video. Vyasa Padmasanastha Vipulakatitati Padmapatrayatakshi Gambhira Vartana Bhittana Bharanamita Shubhravastrottariya Lakshmi Divyair Gajendrair Manighanakachitair Snapita Hemakumbhai Nityam sa Padmahatta Mama Vasatu Gruhe Sarvamangalya Yukta Lakshmi Divyair Gajendrair Manigana Khachitair Snapita Hemakumbhai Nityam sa Padmahatta Mama Vasatu Gruhe Sarvamangalya Yukta. This is a beautiful poetry, high flowing poetry, and then superb alliteration, and then you can enjoy the rhythmic melody. So that is it. This is Suhas Dipai signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony Channel, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste. Let us again meet in one more video with taking up one more beautiful devotional stotra. Until then, bye for now. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.